Hi, Deadlock's here again, and now for the showdown.
The final showdown.
Well, I didn't see that coming.
Doo-doo-doo.
It takes a while to put these on, so I'm doing it. I'll explain what's going on. I bought these Sheffield pattern derby cuffs because Silent but Descriptive said I would not be able to escape them. Now, I disagree with them. I think anything can be escaped. So let's give it a go. I was just curious if I could do that. I can't. So let's just try it the way I plan to. Oh, yeah, these are I do admit I haven't done this, but there we go. We're out. That was a bit more spectacular than I thought it was going to be. I thought I broke something there. Well, there you go. Silent but descriptive. You were kind of wrong. I escaped. But thanks for the challenge. Thought that was something different.
Something fun.
Yep. That's all from us. See you next time.